Okay, friends, just open your menu, then go to settings page. Okay, open that settings, then you can see option of display and touch. Open the option display and touch. Then you can see option of enhanced HDR brightness. Click on that text. Okay, then you will get this page and click on enhanced HDR brightness. Then you can get this page and you can see there is a slider called intensity slider. So you can simply adjust this one and increase whatever you want. So in this way you can simply increase your HDR brightness in your mobile. Okay, I think that it will be applied for all HDR contents like YouTube, Netflix and any other video platforms are performing with HDR contents. So this feature must be enabled all over the Android mobiles, but actually I see this feature only in Pixel. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.